In this video, you will learn how to refund a customer correctly on QuickBooks. First, log into QuickBooks Online using your credentials. Then, in the left-hand menu, click on Sales. Select the customers. From the customers list, find and click on the customer that you want to issue a refund for. You'll be taken to their transaction history and see how many products they've bought. In the customer profile, click on New Transaction drop-down, then click Credit Memo. Fill out the credit memo. After that, create a customer refund receipt. In the customer's profile, click on New Transaction drop-down, then select Refund Receipt. Choose the payment method, select the refund account, and then simply save and close. After that, record the refund in your bank. After creating the refund, you may need to match it into a bank transaction. Go to the bank, find the refund in your banking feed, select the transaction and match it to the refund receipt or created memo. Then, send the refund to the customer. If you need a refund receipt, you can email it directly to the customer. After clicking on the email at the top, confirm the customer's email and click Send. Check the customer's balance. After issuing the refund, go back to Sales, Customers, then check the customer's balance reflects the refund. Their outstanding balance should now be updated, including the new refund. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.